Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick watch me work. Not really a tutorial, but more of a watch me work. This was just like a mystery design, I guess you could call it, that I did for myself. And I'll put the inspo pictures on the screen. I just saw this skirt on Pinterest and I thought it was really cute. And I wanted to do some nails, surrounded by the card designs. So that's what I did. And I'm also going to show you the sketch too, because whenever I'm making a set that I kind of don't know what direction I want to go in, if I just have like one picture that I want to take inspo from, I'll draw out a sketch and it'll be a really sloppy sketch. But the nails always come out cute. So that's what my sketch looked like. And now let's just get into the design. So I started out with my white from Bio Seaweed Gel. And as you saw, I listed all the products at the beginning of the video. So I'm using the Bio Seaweed Gel white, and then I'm going to go on top of it with a lighter, more kind of, not cream color, but I don't know, just a softer, not so like blinding white from Valentino Beauty Pure, because the white from Bio Seaweed Gel is just a little too bright for what I was going for. So for most, really all of my nail art, I use this 20mm Beetles brush. It works for me. Like I said, when I first got it, I clipped it down to make it a little thinner, but that's the brush that I use. I need to get more and try to get more experience in using like a shorter brush, but for now, this is what I use. And for this color that I'm using, I mixed gingerbread from Bio Seaweed Gel. It's just like a brown polish with this chrome, like this gold chrome that I get from Amazon, to make this gold color, because I didn't have any color that really matched the gold in the Pinterest picture. So I just used another gold that I had that was cute. Well, I mixed the gold and just created these card nails. I wanted to do an outline. I don't know how to explain it. I wanted to do like an outline on the card nails to kind of give it like that deck of cards vibe, but it would have been easier to do on like a longer nail shape since these were so short. I couldn't really do the hearts in the corner and the outline, so I just did the hearts. You'll see later. Now for this part, I have another inspo pic. I didn't know what to do with the rest of the nails, so I just searched Pinterest. You know how you click on a photo on Pinterest and then they'll show you more kind of similar things under it? That's kind of what I did to figure out what to do with the rest of the nails. And I found these little like sketches or whatever that somebody drew, and I liked them, so I decided to do like a deck of cards and like star galaxy type of set. I don't know how those two things even go together, but they came out cute. So
all I gave you was a nicotine addiction and an empty room. Couple life lessons at 22. After all the shit I put you through, I don't blame ya. I hate me too. How did we go from strangers to best friends? Best friends to lovers in one bed. And now just a memory in my head. Yeah. Now I've been trying to move on, I get car sick when I drive by a place on Walnut. Cause I learned how to love in an apartment. Ooh yeah. Ooh, I've been drinking a little, I've been thinking too much about.
here is the inspo for the thumb and the pinky nails. I just saw this dress that had like these crystal embellishments on them, and so I wanted to kind of replicate it because I knew I wanted to add some pearls some kind of way. So that's what I did. And I get my pearls. I got these from Hobby Lobby. Normally I order some from Amazon, but I just happened to be in Hobby Lobby one day and saw that they had like this whole, I didn't show it in the video, but it's like a pack that has like maybe 12 different size pearls, and like one side is just white pearls and then the other side is the like cream colored pearls, and they go like down to a really small size, which is why I really got them, because I needed some smaller pearls. So if you need that, they have that at Hobby Lobby. And there's the sketch again, and here's the finished product. These came out way better than I thought they would. A lot of times I'll do a set and think, you know, like I'll do 2 nails that are cute and then I won't know how to fill out the rest of it, but this set actually came out so cute, and I'm wearing it on my nails right now as we speak. And I love it. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. And if you want to shop any nails that I make on this YouTube channel or on my Instagram, you can go to THEENAILFACTORY.com. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.